Kill one this morning, we're gonna look at the phone all day. I'm back to Turner Outdoors. Today is April the 9th. It's about 5:30 in the morning, 34 degrees. I think this is the third weekend of turkey season. Me and my little cousin Nathan here gonna try to get on a bird. We just now filled this four-wheeler up, and now we're gonna go to Hardee's and get something to eat. What are you gonna get to eat? Boy,
I don't know yet.
Yes, could I get 2 bacon beefs, breakfast burritos, and then give me an order of French toast dips, and that'll be it.
Is that 2 burritos?
Yeah.
Order of French toast?
Yeah.
Okay, see $12. I'll be looking for a serving at the window.
Thank you.
And that's what it is.
And that's what it is. Alright guys, we finally got to the spot. Got my hotel call. It's snowing. And we've got a few gobbler off down here. We got a gobbler off down here. We'll try to see if you all can hear him. There he is, did you hear it? Yeah. Let's put it in oil. Did you hear it? Think we're gonna get one? Don't know, boys. You better have faith we're gonna get one. If not, we ain't gonna kill one. Be still. Be still. Okay, my gun ready. Okay, easy, go. It's my first time ever shooting at it. Okay, shoot one up. We just doubled up. Best hunt of my life. Best hunt of my life. Best hunt of my life, son. Whew. Just doubled up, son. Got it done, baby. Hey, we got this one on film, didn't we? Oh, it finally paid off. Whew. Thank you, Lord. Prayed, dude. These gobblers, man, they came down the hill after this gobbler woo! At Big Mobile, son. That was the key, man. 2 hens. Just doubled up, man. Amazing. Oh my gosh, God is so good. Alright guys, we're about to wrap this video up. Here's my bird. It's actually a double beard. He's probably Man, he may, look at the spurs here. He may have an inch spur. I don't know, a little below an inch. I don't know. This is probably a 1.5 bird, 1.5-year-old bird. He may, I'm gonna say 20 pounds, or 18 to 20 pounds. I mean, he's a pretty heavy bird, but now he's not as big as that last bird that I killed that I didn't get on film. Too. Mine's right there. That's Ethan's. I'm gonna say his's got a little bit longer beard, but I mean, they're the same age. You can tell by the spurs here. They're the same age. What did you think, son, when you shot that thing? Hey, that's an adrenaline rush right there, ain't it? But yeah, Ethan's first bird. I'm so happy. The last 2 years, I've actually, every juvenile, the last 2 juveniles, I've tried to take him and get him a bird. And I finally got a farm that I can hunt and kind of have it to myself and control. You know, there's nobody in here shooting everything, so I can kind of control. You know, with deer too, we're gonna try to get a deer on film. But this is an outdoors channel. I know I post a lot of bass fishing, but this is an outdoors channel, and this has been one of my dreams. I love to turkey hunt. I probably like turkey hunting better than I do bass fishing. But I don't know, God's blessed me, and I don't know, this is amazing. This is something that I put a lot of work and time in it, and I just want to say thank you all so much for supporting the channel. And last month was our, I think it was a year, it made a year that I had my channel up, and I don't know, we've grown so much. I've got 400 subscribers now, so I don't know, I'm just blessed, I'm thankful, and God's good, man. So that's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, and comment what you thought of this video. Tell me some of your favorite calls, and we're gonna get back to you. Bye.